Uptown Swing.
I'm Mikey B.
I'm Val.
This is level 2, Charleston. Cool. We started with skip ups into a rollback. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything you want to say about that?
So we talked about how try not to float away. So you're just like kick step, kick step. You go straight back parallel to each other. So then you can connect there. Yeah, and keep it here.
Keep it here.
Kick step, kick step.
Nice
Or
relaxed
kick
stance.
step, kick step. And then we did the
Kick throughs. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to move that hand on 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there on the hip. Boom. And then when we stop, I'm just going to pull Val closer to me and go right back into our basic.
your homework is double kicks. Kick and